Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we could see that Bitcoin, oops, we're not on our Bitcoin chart. We'll just skip over to the Bitcoin chart. We can see that right now Bitcoin's sitting nicely at $44,314. In my opinion, if Bitcoin does keep going the way it's going, we have a potential to maybe start to roll over and maybe catch a bounce at 39,166. Just because right now we have a little bit of a bearish divergence, I would say. We can see we're coming to do a little bit of a double top right here, and right now we can see that the RSI printed a significantly lower high, so we're just gonna have to see how this plays out. We do have the CPI coming out tomorrow, so we might see a lot of volatility in markets. Expected is 0.4 year over year, 7.2% inflation. Anything over 0.4, I think the Fed is going to be extremely hawkish after that, and then it's going to be pretty bad, because if they see that inflation starts to get even more out of control than it already is on the rigged CPI data, then they're going to start to raise rates even earlier than I thought, and more aggressive, and this is going to be extremely bearish for traditional markets, which have like a significant impact on cryptocurrencies. So you're probably going to see Bitcoin coming down and the Nasdaq coming down. Basically everything's going to be coming down when they do raise the rates. So just be careful, guys. I don't want anyone to lose any money. And yeah, let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Right now Ethereum doing pretty well, getting past the 3155 level, now above it. Now we might come back down, retest this as support, and then our next target, in my opinion, would be $3,656. We might see some resistance at 3,393, so I'm going to add that resistance line onto the charts later on. And if you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. That's where I post all my charts. You guys can take a look at them there, and then yeah, make your trades based on the charts that I post. And as well, on the EMA ribbons, we could see that we are coming back to the, let's get rid of all these other ones right here, these other EMA ribbons, delete these right here. Yeah, we could take a look at that. We're coming pretty close to 21 weekly moving average, and historically speaking, once we're above it, it's bullish and we're on a bull run. But once we're under it, it's there is cause for concern. So that's why I'm still looking at 47,000 to maybe potentially 49,000 by the time we get there. It's possible that this could be a temporary like a top. We might catch a strong rejection from this point and come back down. But this doesn't mean that's exactly what's going to happen. We've seen before, once we've gotten under it during this bull run, we've come back up to retest it and we blast right through it, came back down, retested the support. This is the weekly candles, by the way, and then so on and so forth. History took its place. We went to 69,000, then rolled over all the way down to 33,000. So yeah, take that into account, guys. And right now I have redrawn my gold chart as well. So if the CPI index tomorrow is worse than expected, then I expect gold to probably pump up, break out of this triangle, and then we're probably going to roll over because as you know, gold sells off a couple days later off the CPI data, and then we're probably maybe going to catch a bounce here, and then we'll take off from there. But this is a lot of speculation. I don't want don't think this is financial advice. And let's take a look at silver. Silver also in my opinion is in a falling not falling wedge, descending triangle, so not the greatest. This is technically a bearish pattern for silver, but I'm not going to hold onto it too much. I think we're going to have a significant breakout in silver. We're going to go to maybe $40, so we'll have to see where that's going to take us. But again, let's get back on Bitcoin. What's going to happen, right? Some people have been saying we're gonna go to 50,000, 60,000 is we're going straight back up, but the current market conditions, in my opinion, don't warrant such a rally. I think we might come back up as high as 48 to 49,000, and from there on we might get a rejection. As we can see, this was our big head and shoulders pattern. I don't know if you guys watched the live stream yesterday, but I talked about this on the live stream on the trading battle where I was against Cameron and hosted by Boris. And we could see that we did come back. If we do come back up here, we could get rejected and then potentially roll over from there. So that's where I'm going to be looking to enter some shorts. This doesn't mean we're going to go straight up, right? We could potentially roll over right here, right? Come back down, get a bounce, and then go up from here, which could maybe bring us as high as 50,000. So definitely take that into account. If we go to 50,000, that's where I'm probably going to enter some shorts. So you guys know what I'm doing right now. I'm also shorting some oil, so crude oil, WTI, actually in a nice little profit right now, $483. So if you guys want to see my trades, where I post them, definitely join the Discord. That's where I post everything. Also got a few requests to make a tutorial video for option contract trading on crypto. So I'm probably gonna get on Delta Exchange because that's where they have option contracts, and I do like them. I've done some business with them in the past, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. If you guys want to join, that's where you guys can help out the channel. Use my referral link and go trade some options with me on Delta. Anyways, guys, you guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for your support. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers, like I said, we're gonna do that giveaway, and only Discord members can win. So congratulations to all the current Discord members. You guys are gonna be winners. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.